I'm going on vacation. Hi everyone, my name is Anastasiia, and if you like neutral styling, minimalist fashion and wearable outfits, chances are you will like it here. And today we are gonna be packing my suitcase, and no, it's not like an impromptu because it's summer kind of video. I'm actually going on vacation tomorrow. I'm going to Turkey, to Antalya with my mom, and yeah, I haven't packed yet, so let's get going. I think carry-on will wait for us. We're gonna start with the big guy. So basically, the goals for this little packing endeavor and the whole agenda looks like this. I'm going to Turkey, I'm going with my mom. We are going to a resort, so it won't be a lot of, activities and stuff. And what else? Obviously, it's warm. Oh, and my mom is literally bringing me like half of a suitcase because like 6 months ago, me and my husband moved to Serbia, and she's bringing me half of my suitcase, which is labeled with the stuff that, oops, I forgot. So I need to pack lightly. I'm not bringing lots of stuff, and yeah, basically they wear some nighttime outfits, but nothing too fancy because my mom doesn't really do fancy, and there will be no point, and I also really want to chill a little bit. So there is that. Those are our goals for the day. So let's get packing. I think I'm gonna start with like day wear, and while thinking about packing lightly, I'm thinking two-piece sets. So we have this black one from AliExpress with a pair of shorts and a short button-down one, and I also want to take this blue one, which looks like pajamas as well, but I like those. So there's that. Oh, and by the way, if you have like a massive pile of clothing over there, yes, I've just literally dragged all of my summery stuff on my bed so that it would be easy. So yeah, I apologize for my background being a little bit messed up, but anyway, I also want to take these two-piece sets, the one that have been all the rage and all the trends last summer and the summer before that, but I still like them. I find them very nice for the hot weather and also very wearable because you can, wear them during the daytime or during the nighttime, depending on how you style them. And I think I'm gonna take both white and black with me. It will cover a lot of my necessities. I might bring like one more pair of pants, like these white linen ones. They're basically very much so see-through and low-rise, and they kind of resemble pajama pants. They're from H&M, by the way. I just recently got them. But yeah, I think I'll bring them, and maybe that's enough in the pants department. I was also contemplating the idea of taking this two-piece set, which looks a little bit like a towel, but I mean it's kind of heavy, so I'll probably stick on that. Okay, one more two-piece set, but this one is far more fancy. It's like a low-rise slip mermaid-style maxi skirt, which I absolutely adore, and like this lingerie top, so I can basically wear it together under a short, like a button-down short, to dress it down a little bit, or I can wear a skirt separately with, let's say, t-shirt or something, and I can also wear top separately under one of those kind of pleated two-piece sets, so I think it will go in. Speaking of t-shirts, I have stripy one, plain black one, and also oversized plate white one. I also should bring some crop tops. I have a number of like a basic halter style, racer style, and t-shirt style crop tops. The majority of them are from H&M, and I basically wear them all day, every day. So those are almost all the tops that I need. But shorts, no, I obviously also need shorts. Well, besides the black and the stripy blue one, I'm also bringing like a white linen one from Zara, and this one, like an Oxford style one, which is super oversized and like perfect for more of an evenings than the daytime. What else? In terms of the dresses, I'm definitely taking these two. So this one is like, in my eyes, a perfect vacation dress, maybe for once, we're taking some pictures. And it's also not too dressy because I can wear it with, you know, sliders, flip-flops or something. It's from Zara a couple of years ago, and you know, I still find it a perfect vacation dress. And I also really want to bring this one. Simple, it's Empire high waist, very easy to wear, you know, your daily black dress, so I'm definitely taking those two. And I'm kind of toying with the idea of also bringing this knitted one, which is like very figure-hugging situation, but I also think it might be too much, so I probably will not. Also, like, this knitted top goes in because it's basic and goes with everything. Swimsuits and bikinis, I don't have a lot, so I'm gonna take all of them. I've cleared out my collection like significantly before I came to Serbia, so now I'm left with 4. Have a simple one-piece Saint's House wave. It's from Pimki, like years ago. I'm still wearing it. It's like my all-year-rounder. Then I have also a simple black one made of this, you know, very trending right now material that kind of sucks you in. I got it from AliExpress. Also love it. And 2 bikinis made out of this similar kind of material. Both are with high-waisted bikini bottoms, and the black one has like a top style of a bralette, and the white one is looking a little bit more fancy-ish, but I like that those stuff are kind of movable and attachable, and you know, you can make yourself more comfortable and wear it also like multiple ways if you want to. I was also kind of thinking about taking this gorgeous dress, but as I already said, I think I'm gonna skip. Knitwear, I think I'm just gonna take like this cardigan for something cream on top if I need it. It's very thin and very light. I'm probably gonna take like a black knit with me on flights just in case it's cold. Okay, now we need to figure out the shoes and the bags. So, starting with the bags. For my beach bag, I have this humongous one that I've got from the brand called Zarina. I think it's perfect. Like, you know, it's huge. It can fit the sink, the kitchen sink, half of my house, and all my necessities. So it's coming night time / daytime, casual daytime bags. I've been thinking about taking these two. Both are by the brand Zarina, like the black one and the beige one. They fit nicely in this whole color scheme that I'm taking. Like the shoulder one and the clutch. Yeah, I think that would be it for the bags. As for the shoes, I have like flip-flops. Obviously, those are from AliExpress. I'm gonna take these ones that I'm wearing right now. I have these brown sandals, like basically kind of the same vibe, but in the brown. I got those from H&M. These ones are from Amazon. And I'm also gonna take my Birkenstock that I've got recently from Pull&Bear, and moreover, I think I'm gonna be traveling in them because they seem to be very nice and comfortable for that. And yeah, I just basically need to add like my jewelry, a little bit of makeup, skincare, a t-shirt or 2 for sleeping and chilling, some hair products, some undies, and that would be it. I'm kind of proud of myself. I think it went much faster than I anticipated, and yeah, I'm probably not going to be filming like what I wear during my vacation as like, you know, a whole YouTube video, because I want to chill and spend some quality time with my family. However, I'm probably gonna be making shorts or TikToks, so you know, if you don't follow me on TikTok but you're interested in what I'm gonna be wearing during my vacation, check it out. It's Anastasiia Chair. And the links to all my social media will be in the description below as per usual, as well as everything I've mentioned during this pack with me, in case you liked something or you want to literally pack with me, because I think it's kind of good idea, watching somewhere packing, and if your vacation are kind of similar vibe and your style is kind of similar, you can just get the past. So something for you to think about. I don't need to tell you that if you don't want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, you are obviously not going to. However, if you like the vibe here, if you like the energy, if you like my style sense, and you probably maybe want to see me talking about it all, once again, on the YouTube, you can, click this little subscribe button. Also like this video if you've enjoyed watching me, and other than that, I'll see you next week. So bye.